Now that we have a database that's not empty, let's start reading from it. In the last video, you saw me call session.query restaurant.all. If I create a variable called firstResult and set it equal to session.query restaurant and use .first this time, I now have a variable that corresponds to a single row in my database. These single row references allow me to extract column entries as method names. So if I were to write firstResult.name, I'm given the name of my restaurant object as it is stored in the database. Currently, I only have one restaurant and one menu item stored in my database. Well, that's kind of boring. But with the help from some fellow Udacians, I've created a Python script that will populate my database with several different restaurants and menu items popular amongst the Udacity team. Download the lotsofmenus.py script into your working directory and execute it from the command line as so. Now, when we perform executions like session.query_restaurant.all, we get back a whole list of results. So what happens when I have a query that returns a collection of results and we want to display column information for each item? For this, we can use a Python for loop to return the data that we want to see. Here, let's do an example. I will make a variable called items and set it equal to a query that retrieves all of my menu items. Now I can say for item in items, print item.name. Now I get back a printed line of each item name in our database. SQL Alchemy has an extensive collection of queries we can perform on our database. Take some time to explore the query documentation here and play around with the database for a while. When you're ready, move on to some of the challenge problems in the next section.